Stephanie Bergen, and today I will teach you how to titrate. This here is a flask. The first step is to rinse the beer out with deionized water, which is in this can with contraption. This is open, as you can tell, because this knob is vertical, and if I put water in it, it comes out the bottom. That means it's closed and it's horizontal, as noted by the water stopping. So first you have to rinse this puree because they can be quite filthy at times and you don't want other chemicals messing with your reaction. Titrate, especially when you're doing pH levels, it would be probably bad if you were trying to determine if something was an acid and you had a lot of base in there already. It would take a lot more liquid. So now I'm rinsing it, and it might take a while. Next, we're supposed to fill it with base. A base is indicated by an OH at the end. Sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH.
That's our relationship.
Marco, would you like to be my assistant? Okay.
Of course.
We just rinsed this with deionized water, and now we are going to rinse it with the base, which is sodium hydroxide, 0.5. As I said before, this is open, so some will come out the end. Which we want to do.
Graduated cylinder. We will use it to measure our HCl.
Our HCl is supposed to be unknown, but as indicated by the bottle, it says 0.14. We are going to measure 25.5.
However, Miss Langdon is the best teacher in the world and deserves all praise.
Okay, this is about 25 milliliters HCl. Now I will be pouring it into a flask. Now we will set it on this white sheet of paper. As you can tell,
It is clear. Colorless, it's a better word choice. Very well done.
Now, Marco, will you add 3 drops of phenolphthalein?
I will be honored to add 3 drops of phenolphthalein.
Always remember that ABC is titration.
We have to put some base in it. I'm going to be adding base.
Say that at the end. Say that at the end.
Should I swirl?
Yeah.
Here, right on the back of your
Swirl.
Here.
Or I'll take a video.
It really won't do much, but Marco needs something to do.
I'm good at vamping.
So I'm adding base, which will be added to the solution in a second. As I said before, I will be putting this base, sodium hydroxide. We will use this funnel because it is easier to pour through the funnel than just in the puree. So here we go. We are trying to make it at 0, but I'm not really good at this, so we'll see how it goes.
She's not really good at this, so we'll see how it goes.
But Marco's good.
It's true, once I spoke
See, I'm spilling base. Marco.
Allow me.
Get the paper flask. It's now empty. But as you can see, it is not at 0, it is above 0. Because neither Marco or I could actually fill it to 0. So now, you want to
Remember when measuring.
release some of the base into this empty flask until it goes to 0. And by doing this, we are also eliminating the bubbles in the tip.
Titration is fun for your soul.
It's not quite there.
Set the flask on a white sheet of paper so that the color can be seen best.
So here I'm doing it again, and that's good. It's at 0.00. Don't come in anger, please. So now you have this base in this flask, but we don't need it there. In fact, we don't need this flask for right now. We need this flask that we filled with HCl, and that group is very distracting. But we also fill it with phenolphthalein, and we're going to put it in
consistently for 1 minute while swirling.
phenolphthalein is an indicator.
Make sure you get the last drop from the
Where did Marco? And then we're going to open it, so some of the base goes into the
Remember
flask.
at the end.
Marco, password.
Okay, while I am doing this, ready, set, slowly.
Hi, I'm Kate Hurley, and I'm going to show you
I'm an
proper
expert at the
titration
swirl.
technique.
It is to make sure
First, make sure the garage is closed before anything is
we
added.
get the specific color
Remember
we
this by
want
when the
to,
blue knot is
which
pointing
is
down,
like
it flows to the ground.
Marco,
Stop it. We have reached pink.
Now, you're ready
We
to
have
put a
reached-
little over 50 milliliters
As you can see,
of a base and
we
let
have now a light.
right then, I
Hi,
got
I'm
a
Kate
drop
Hurley,
of the
and I'm going to
base,
show you proper
and now I
titration
am rinsing it so
First,
it
make
goes
sure
to the
garage is
bottom
closed
of
before
the
anything is
solution.
added. You can remember this by when
And
the
this
blue
is
knot
okay
pointing down,
because
it
water
flows
will
to the
not
ground.
affect the color at all.
Then, rinse
It
the
will not
pipette
change
with
the
deionized
pH.
water in order to clean it from all
So
chemicals.
now, we look at this spirit, and we see that it is at 4.52 approximately. And
Now,
since our initial puree reading was at 0.00 liters, we have used 4.52. We do not subtract from 50 milliliters, because that would be wrong.
Very wrong.
Now, with the ionized water, Marco, would you like to do that?
Gladly.
let some of the base
I am going
run
to
out
dump this
the
out
bottom in
into
order
the
to fill the
sink.
tip appropriately and to allow the bottom of the meniscus to reach 0
Notice
milliliters
this is
on
still
the red.
closed.
Exactly. Remember, when adding, because we are measuring,
Open it. That all that comes out.
measure 25
Now I will use
milliliters of a
deionized
normal
water
concentration of HCl into a flask.
to rinse it even further.
Now, set the flask on a white sheet of paper.
I love it.
Color theme the box. Add 3 drops of phenol.
I also rinsed out this flask because otherwise it could be contaminated when the next lab period needs to use
Now we're
it.
ready to start titration.
And now the
Titration is a
burette
procedure to calculate
clean.
molarity accurately. Oops.
And I left it
When
open so
adding the base,
anything can
remember
drop out.
Oh, but Marco, you silly Marco. You
When
have
the
to
color
leave it
turns
like
a very
this.
light
Are you
pink,
saying I'm
it
wrong?
stays that color
No, you're just calling me
consistently.
silly.
I don't want to play this game anymore.
We can stop adding the base.
Marco has experienced some difficulties in our chem class. So
Make sure you get the last drop.
I'm sure now he will know that
and
you
add some
leave it upside
deionized
down.
water to
So
make sure it
the
all goes
deionized
into
water.
You're mean.
can all out. And that is how you properly
When
titrate
titrating
this.
and swirling, we
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Gentlemen, let's broaden our minds.